The iPhone 17 launch just around the corner. And for the first time ever, we've got real factory footage revealing the iPhone 17 Pro Max straight from the production line. Apple usually keeps everything under wraps, so this early leak is a rare glimpse behind the curtain. But before we get too excited, there's one big question: how real is this footage? The video, shared by leaker Ice Universe, looks like a mass production unit, not a fake or just a render. It's the most convincing look yet at what Apple's flagship phone might actually be. Still, caution is required until proven otherwise. It could be an ultra-realistic knockoff or late-stage prototype. Either way, it's too intriguing to ignore. The most obvious reveal: a total redesign of the camera setup. Gone is the vertical bump. Instead, Apple is going horizontal, spanning the entire width of the back. The LiDAR sensor, flash, and mic are now tucked neatly at the edge, giving the phone a refreshed, modern look. It's familiar yet totally new, just enough to catch our attention. But there's more. The video appears to show 3 color variants: black, gray, and white. That aligns with previous rumors too. Want more flavor options? Some reports hint at deep blue or copper orange models. Either way, Apple seems ready to mix things up visually this year. Speaking of cooling, rumors confirm a new vapor chamber system, a first for iPhones. This setup spreads heat away from the chip, RAM, and storage more effectively than past models. That means less thermal throttling, smoother gameplay, and steady 4K 60 FPS video recording. For power users, let's talk battery. The iPhone 16 Pro Max had a 4,685 mAh cell. The new iPhone 17 Pro Max might hit 5,000 mAh. Combine that with the A19 Pro chip's power efficiency and heat handling wizardry. Rumor reports confirm Apple is testing reverse wireless charging, allowing your iPhone to wirelessly power AirPods or Apple Watch at up to 7.5 West. It hasn't been done before, and if it ends up in final hardware, it would be a major upgrade in convenience. That said, there are skeptics. Some experts think MagSafe's magnetic design might conflict with reverse charging. In other words, yes, it's tested, but it may never make the final cut. So while the rumor is buzzing, snap judgments should wait until Apple either confirms or ghosts us. Other expected hardware improvements include 12GB RAM, A19 Pro chip. The base iPhone 17 may adopt 120Hz ProMotion and a 24MP front camera, and the iPhone 17 Air might slim down to just 5.5mm. We're looking at a stacked, tiered lineup. Amid all this, however, some fear it may be incremental. Online debates show divided opinions. Many are excited about these upgrades. Others point to the lack of shock features as a letdown. But with pre-orders just days away, fans' patience is being tested. Production is already underway, and we're closer than ever to Apple's big reveal. New colors, a radical camera redesign, improved cooling and battery, plus possibly reverse charging. It could be Apple's most well-rounded iPhone yet. So where do you land? Are you hyped by all this or hoping for a wild card surprise at the event? Comment your thoughts, because whether you think these changes are evolutionary or revolutionary, they'll matter when Apple hits the stage. September 9th is nearly here. Let's see what Apple has up its sleeve.